Got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you.
Okay. So we can let me check. See, parked. So I have entered only one line item. Still system able to do it. Even the document holding also, right? System will allow you that one. So major difference is that parking and holding, and parking is used as a process, means because one person prepares the document, another person is going to verify that and post it. So that is called, that is used for the purpose. The main purpose of parking and holding is different. So parking is used for the purpose of workflow, something like workflow, right? One junior person prepares the document and senior person is going to accept and post the entry. But in case of holding, the purpose of holding is different. The purpose is that, so uh, you can temporarily keep certain documents on hold, only that is the purpose, right? Those are the minor differences. Next is reference documents. So recurrence documents are of two types again, and recurring document, sample document. Recurring document is a document which recurs, the nature of document which recurs every month.
Before that, I need to interrupt one time.
Yeah.
You said the parking document takes numbering from the original document series.
Document number range.
Document number range. What if the parked document is later on cancelled and it is not posted?
I have already shown
Will
you.
that number be available for net?
Already I have shown you that. Already yesterday we have seen that document number 10 was deleted, but I told you that system will not take. After that, system has taken another number. You forgot that.
That number will be lost forever. No, I missed that then.
See here. Go to FB03. Document list. Execute. See 9, 11, 12. What about 10?
Okay.
10 is not there. Okay. I want to see 10. Let me check. 11 is there. See, parked document which was deleted.
Okay.
Right, this we have seen already. Yeah. So next we are looking into the reference documents. So reference documents are nothing but the documents, and there are two types. One is recurring document and sample document. And one more thing is also their account assignment model, but of course that is not in use right now. And recurring document is a document, the nature of which recurs every month. For example, say office rent is there. Every month I have to post this document. And say I don't mind in posting same document because office rent account data to bank. But in some cases, you may have to post an accounting entry, same entry, say for example, warehouse rent. So when warehouse bills are received, what is the accounting entry? If fixed warehouse rent is there, every month I have to pay, say 50,000 warehouse rent I have to pay. Like that I have 100 warehouses. 100 warehouses into per month, each one is say 15,000 per month. So in such case, warehouse rent account data to that vendor account we have to credit. Right, the same entry we have to post. But instead of posting 100 entries every month, say whether that fellow sends me bill or not, I have to provide it. I have to make provision for the rent to be paid. So in such case, is there any mechanism which creates the same document, because 100 entries are there, instead of, because same party, same amount, right, same line items, every month I'm going to post that entry. In such case, if some mechanism is there which makes that entry automatically, right, that will be better. So that is the concept. So now that is called we have recurring document. So because it recurs every month, what we can do that, but the thing is all 100 documents, recurring documents, should be created in the beginning of the year, and we have to execute a small program so that system will post that entry. Unless it is going to be executed, unless you are going to execute the program, system will not post. Automatically means automatically, if you give date something like if you set alarm, it rings, it will not post like that. So it is a manual activity, and you have to execute a small program, then only those 100 entries will be posted in a fraction of a second, right? That is called recurring document. Sample document is there. Sample document is a document which is a which is created as a template, a sample, and by taking that I can post any number of entries. Both of these things we'll see. And recurring document, sample now document, in order to create it, first we need to have a number range. X1, X2 we have to create. X1 is for this one, X2 is for this. Because when I'm going to create and keep the document, system will not post it. Unless you execute the program, it will not post, right? So let us see creation of the document. Document entry, reference documents, recurring document. Right, this is the recurring document you have to create. But before we create, I need to create number range for this. So step number 1 is define number ranges. So number range means what? OBA7, not OBA7, FBN1. We can use FBN1. Document number ranges, documents in entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. Our company code DRLB, individuals, intervals. Click on interval. So I have to use some different number range. If you give 0102 03, it will be posted. So I don't want to post the recurring document when it is created. When it is executed, then only it will be posted. For that purpose, we need to use X1. When you give X1, system will not post it immediately. Right, year 2013. So I'm taking some extreme number, right? Something like, say, 25 lakhs. 1, 2, 26 lakhs. This is used by recurring document, and X2 I'm creating. $26,1 to 27 lakhs. Save it. So once we create, now whatever the recurring documents are there, first before we execute the project, before we start the project, before the commencement of the year, right, I'm going to create those documents first. Once we create the document, system will store those documents in the list of recurring documents. Let it be 100 documents. A list of documents will be stored in recurring documents, and then whenever I want, I can recall the document and system will post every month. Every month it will be posted. Let us see how we are going to create it. Recurring document I need to create now. Say, since we do not have warehouse rent and vendors etc. We'll see only in when we go to the accounts payable. So that's why what I will do. See, office rent and where say office maintenance, both the expenses will be paid every month. So instead of paying manually, right, let me set it automatic. Recurring document. See, this is only an example I'm showing you, but in real scenario, we'll be using where, say for example, 100 warehouses are there. So for all 100 warehouses, we create, keep it, and then we post it. Right. So here we can set first run on. So when the first run has to be posted, say I'm taking 30/04/2013. So I'm taking with past date. Right, April month is over already, but in spite of that, I want to show you how system works. Last run on 31st 03 2014, because every month I want to post interval in months, right? Per month, every 2 months, like that. Let us take per month. So every month I want to post starting from 30th April to last one is 31st of March. With 01 monthly means 12 months it will post. Run date, schedule, transfer amounts, local currency, this is not required. Document type, I'm going to use document type SA, that is GL document. INR reference, just for recurring document. Right, this is only parameters. Now actual entry I need to create. The entry is, say, office rent account data to, since vendors are not there, I'll take bank, posting key 40. Right, office rent, say 400, 301 is my office rent. Post, what is this one? 04 2013. Posting period is no longer allowed for start date. First run. Let me OB52, our posting period. Let me check whether it is open or not. Our posting period is DRPV. See here 5 and 5. Let me make it open. 12. Right. First one is in the past. Yes. Say amount, I am taking some different amount to identify. Right here.
In real-time scenarios, I think it's not much easy to change all these posting period dates. They will change very
See,
easily,
in real scenario, end users will not be allowed to go into SPRO at all. Right, real scenario, no one can enter into SPRO except the users, except the consultants. No one can enter. Right, they will not be given authorization.
But if the end user want it to be posted, no, if end user want to be posted in past days, then he will request the consultant normally. Right?
Yeah, there is a process for that. First of all, he has to ask his superior, the finance manager or so. Say, I want to post in the old date. Then they will verify whether it is really required or not. If it is really required, then they'll raise a request to the consulting team through the that AMC. There will be a tool. In the tool, it will be recorded, and as soon as that is raise that request, that will come to the FICO consultant. Then first he will make the change in the development client. Then it will be tested. Once it is tested, and then that will be sent to the basis consultant. That request will be moved, and after moving the request, then it is approved. Then only people can use it. There's a lot of process. Here we are just
then,
like that we are
again,
doing it.
Again, he will change back to the same current dates. The posting dates.
Yeah, posting date.
So once the job is done, once the document is created, and if it is done, then again no need to be open for all the time, right? Because that is affected for all the documents.
It has to be closed.
Only for this.
And that too, in case
closed.
if any old document they have to post something like that, right? So that will not be done in the regular time, right? That will be done after the business hours will take. Maybe night at 8:30, 9 o'clock. Once the all users are closed, we block everybody. Then we allow. We'll be in front of the phone. We'll make a phone. But we have opened the posting period open, I mean this one, you post the entry and inform us immediately. So we'll send a mail and that fellow will post it. Again, he'll send the request, then we'll close it. That will be the process.
Yeah, that is it. Okay, right. Thank you.
That's practically we do that. So this is the rent. Save it. See, now it takes 25 lakhs, 25 lakhs 1. It is not regular. See, if you check the GL account, there will not be any entry. See here. FS 10N to see the GL account. Office rent 400, 301 is my office rent. Just now I have posted recurring entry for 9,999. See, 9,999, it is not there at all yet in the first period, right? So, but the document stores in the, I'll show you where that document stores. Now again I want to post one more. I want to post every month on 15th. Just to show you, I'm creating this one. 15/4/2013 to 14.
No, first one is on 30th of 4.
Yes, 03/2014. 14 March 2014. Right, this is the last one. I want to show you how system works for different dates. Interval during the months. Take 01. Document type SA. INR. Transaction date is today's date. Nothing wrong. 40. I am taking office maintenance. Office maintenance 400, 303. First one in the past. So I am taking 8888. Test for 50, 200, 405. Amount. Right? Okay. Post. So here we have created recurring document. Right? If you want to see the recurring document, go to document, reference documents, recurring document, change display. Right? See? Document list. See, 2 documents, 25 lakhs 1, 25 lakhs 2. Like that, any number of documents we can post here. And even if you want to make any change, right, I can make a change of this amount, etc. If I want to make change, I can make, because this is not yet posted. It is only now storing in the recurring documents list. It is not posted to GL. Right? Now I want to post every month. Right? Every month I want to post this document. So generally in real scenario, whatever the recurring documents entries are there, maybe 50 or 100 or 200, whatever it may be. Right? All those things we create just like this. Once we create, now I want to post it. So this is a period end job. So go to periodic processing. Recurring entries, F.14 execute. So every month one accountant will be given responsibility of execution of recurring entries. Right, company code. DRLB, fiscal year 2013. And if you give document number, system will execute only those document numbers. If you don't give any number, system executes all the recurring entries, it will be posted. So that's why if you want to post on specific documents, have to give numbers from here to here. Right, I need not give anything. Settlement period. So settlement period, what I can do is say 01/04/2013 to 31st 03 2014. Just give the year, the range of the year. Batch input session name. So what I can do, I can give some batch input session name. So what system will do before posting, what are the number of entries that are there? It will prepare a batch, and the total batch entries will be posted at a single time. So for that we need to create one name. So what I'm doing is, say for example, so I'm giving just my name. So to have a change, I'm giving Anand N. Once I give this, session Anand N was created. After that, we have to execute batch input session. So execution of batch input session means system creates and keeps all the entries in one stack. Go to system, services, batch input sessions, right? Go to system, services, batch input sessions. It will take us to T code SM35. SM35. See, my batch is there here. Select batch. Click on process. Right. Say created by user, but batch input session name is this, created by me at so and so date. Right. Select this, click on process. Here we have two options. One is process foreground, display errors only, background process. So mainly process foreground, process background. If I select process background, system posts the entries in a fraction of a second and it will show us. I'll execute both and show you. Right, background process. Finish. Entries are posted. Go to FS Engine and see. See, office rent, nothing is there now. Come out. See, first month amount is there. So in the month of April, system has posted the entry 9,999. Which date? 30th 4. You see, test for recurring. 303. 8,888. Post down 15/4. So first month, both the entries posted. Let me execute second time. Here I need not tell to the system, I need not give any date. But here you give this, that's all. Document type, posting date. If you want to specifically give, you can give, otherwise not required. Even I don't give batch input session name. Let us see what happens. Session SAP 120 was created. So there is a session name, system by default it creates. Right, I can go system batch input sessions, or straight away I can go to SM35. See, SAP 120 created by me. So if you create with your name, you can identify, because simultaneously if people are working on the screen, and so that you'll not miss it. Otherwise you don't know. If you have, of course, user ID, you can identify. Process. I'll show you foreground how it works. Let us see. Click on process. As soon as I click on process, see, it will go to the FBD5 and it will start preparing the document. Yeah. So I think now you are able to hear me.
Yes.
Yeah, right. So system see on 35. The first one is 34. Now it is 35. Next one 36. My accounting entry. Press enter. Next one is in the past. No worries. So first one is over. Second entry 15.5. During this process, if you want to give business area, I can give business area. Processing of batch input session completed. Come back. Go to again. FS 10N 400 303. See, second month posted. Like that every month system will post automatically. It may be one entry or 100 entries. Same process. It will post in a fraction of a second like this. But we need to execute it. We cannot leave it to system like that. Any doubt on this? Here we have one more concept.
Anand,
Yeah.
Anand, one doubt I have. When you say that is that the X1, X2, the number range which you give was default for the recurring sample document, or
See,
how does it work?
X1, X2 are the documents to create recurring document and sample document. Recurring document takes X1 number range, sample document takes X2 number range. Because why we have given X1, X2, I don't want the system to post into the GL immediately when I create.
Okay, I understood that, but we never specified the X1 and X2 anywhere, right?
Huh?
We never
I mean,
specified.
where you assign that? Where you
Yeah,
assign that?
where did we assign?
X1,
We
X2.
did not assign anywhere, so it will automatically take it, or it's a default.
No, we need not assign because
Okay.
see here, document types. There is already system defined.
That's what I am asking. So it's a
See
default
here.
then.
I'll show you. X1 recurring entry document, X2 sample document.
So it's default, so the system will automatically take it. We need not assign it.
We need not assign it. See here we are
Okay.
not assigning document type anywhere, we have not assigned.
Okay.
But here it is taking 91, but don't go by with this.
Okay.
Right? And X1, X2.
So though the system has default values there, so it is taken automatically from here. Right? So no need to assign separately again.
No need to assign. No,
But
even
if you take any other new names, other than X1, X2, then we have to assign.
No, system will not accept anything other than X1, X2. That we have to create again. We have to create document type also you have to create, and see that is standard defined. Right, when it is there, better we take only those things.
In the same area, define document types of entry view. Can you please click again? There. Again, I think we can create a new entries by Y1, Y2 also if you want.
You can do that.
We can again maintain this, right?
Yes, you can. Do one thing. You try and tomorrow tell me. Right?
Yeah, sure. Right.
Okay. And yeah. So next one is recurring document, sample document. So sample document is a document which is created as a sample and kept in the system. Whenever I want, I can recall it and I can use the same. Say for example, some accounting entries are there. Say half dozen debit entries, half dozen credit entries. Right, and in such case, let me create few more GLs. FS00. Account group. My personal expenses, office employee salaries, 400 101. 400 101. P&L account. Just I'm creating one more. Only to create more number, that's all, nothing more than that. So all expenses relating to the employees are created here. Staff welfare expenses also we can create here. Right. So now I want to post one entry, sample document. Let me create reference document, sample document. Say with 3 line items debit and 3 credit, something like that. If I have that kind of document, I can prepare it as sample document and I can change it. Now see F-01. Here I am creating one sample document. 40. Say 400 101. Staff salaries. Since this is a sample document, I am taking only 100 rupees. Sample document. Posting key 50. 200 405. Save it. Similarly, I want to create one more. Wages. I'll do one thing. I'll create a multi-line item. $40. 400 101 100 rupees, and again 40, 400 102 100 rupees, again 400 103 50 bank account, see my entry is this: staff salaries, officers salaries, wages to Axis Bank. So this is the every month I have to post this entry. See, instead of creating every month, I can save it as a sample document. I can recall it. I can call this document. I can post it. Let me see how it will be done.
Debit and credits are not same. It won't throw any error.
It will throw error definitely. I forgot to change. No. I'm checking whether you are observing or not.
Sir.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
To cover my mistake.
Right.
Yes.
Yes, right.
So very good. You are in alert mode. That's good. Let us go ahead. Save
Yes,
it. 26 lakhs too, right? Everywhere, if there is a small mistake, system will throw error, no doubt about it. So, so that's why automatically we'll adjust ourselves. So now similarly, I want to see again reference documents. You can go here. You can check sample documents. Right, you can change again display. So what are the sample documents you keep? All the sample documents are stored in the sample documents list. 2 documents are there. Whenever I want, I can recall and I can post. Now this is only stored in the list. Now it is not posted to the GL account. Right, if you want confirmation, I'll show you. Go to FS 10N where you can see the GL account. Right, if you have GL account, T codes on your fingertips, it will be easy for you. No data available. Till now we have not posted anything. But sample data created, see, system has not posted anything. Because we have taken the number range with X1 and X2. Right, like this. Now I want to post by calling this document. Go to F-02. With today's date I want to post. I want to say post with reference. Post with reference. Click on post with reference. Say 26 lakhs to 26 lakhs to. With this document I want to post. Press enter. Change the document type to SA. Because when we created, it was showing AB. Right, after that press enter. See, system will show you this. Now what I need to do, just double click on this, change the amount. Officer salaries 2,50,000. Wages, say 75,000. Right. Then star. Put a star here. Shift star. 4,81,000. Right. So this is a counting entry. So instead of taking all these things, my time will be saved. Only I'll be changing the amount. That's all. Nothing more than that. And okay, narration also I can change it. Or otherwise, sometimes there may be complicated entries. When you are setting the advance bills and other things, you definitely will get some complicated entries. And those can is half a dozen debits, half a dozen credits. Right. Unnecessarily, why should I bother? That's why I'll create one sample document like that and just recall the document, change the amount, post. And of course change the narration also. Right. Now save it. Document number 18 was posted in company code DRLB. Right. So this is the concept of sample and recurring document. So sample document, you can create any number of sample documents. Every user creates and keeps some sample documents and you can recall it and post it. There is one more in reference document. There is one more concept also there. See, when you are posting F-02, say I know document number 9 is same. Post with reference. Go to say document number 9. I can give reference. Press enter. Enter. I think Siri, you are not able to hear me.
Yeah, sometimes the voice is fading out.
Achha, for everybody it's like that?
Oh, not really.
Manoj?
No, it is.
Very rare cases. Very rare, very rare.
Okay, right. Siri, I think maybe your network may be small problem. Let me check. Because, okay, anyhow, if you have any problem, let me know again. Right, so I can recall the document, I can post it. Right. If I want to make any changes in the amount, I can just double click, change the amount, say 22,000. Star, post it. So reference documents can be posted by recalling the document which you have created as a sample document, or reference documents can be posted, that is posting with reference we call it as. Right, posting with reference, any old document which you know that the same entry again I am going to post, I can just recall that document, I can post it. So that facility I do have. Right, now recurring entry, sample document, and posting entries, management, unblocking, yeah, posting with reference. Next is document reversal. Document reversal, today what we have seen, reference document, recurring document, sample document, okay, document reversal. And okay, document reversal part we'll see in the next class because that needs some explanation, etc. Let me show you one more topic, fast data entry. See, fast data entry is a very simple concept. See, in F-02, you are going to post by screen you have to go. Instead, what I can do, when you have the fast data entry, enter the date, document number, everything. Just click on fast data entry. Posting key 40, account, 400, 101, again 40, say 400, 102, 40, 400, 103, 104. If you have, see, so many entries like this, we can use fast data entry. 400, 301, again 40, right? 400, 302, like this, any number.
Okay, you can, in one screen you can do only.
In one screen, all these things can be done.
Only 12 entries next, huh?
Any number of entries you can do it.
Okay. So the table will go on means
Up to 999.
I think we can,
999
create
line
an
items it will
Excel.
go.
I can create an,
You can create an Excel and copy paste. Nothing can
create in Excel and paste. Yeah, that is
Yeah,
fine.
you can copy and paste like what you have done for the account grouping. Same way. Right? Then take 50, 200, 405 and put star here. Even business areas. You can take what are the business areas. Alright. And for here, say DRCH, Chennai. Right? Cost center, order, company code, everything you can post like this. You may post only documents up to 5 lakhs. So here, okay, let me reduce 10. Input format, 1 lakh. Here also, I'll reduce 10. Lot of discipline is required. Right now it will allow you. So page down. Next item, bank. So bank is showing in blue in color. The reason being here required entry is there, value date is there. Right, that is 30/08/2013. Right, test for fast data entry. Right. Then page up. So these are the line items. Then save it. But here the disadvantage is that you do not have space for the writing narration, the text part. If you want to do that, you have to double click each line item, again enter. Right? So that is the
we cannot modify the screen.
We cannot modify. There is a facility, of course, that requires again a lot of configuration. But there is no space there to adjust that, right? Very few fields can be added there. So fast data entry we have done. So next is posting of entries in foreign currency. Updating, sorry, there's a mistake here, not undating, updating. Updating foreign currency, foreign exchange rates, blocking of a GL account, and this one. In the next class we'll see that. Right? These are all, everything is a small topics. But once we go to accounts receivable, the topics will be lengthy topics. Right?
Yes, right. Thank you. And when will be the next class?
So next class again Monday.
Monday, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you need to have some time for practice and spend some time on this. And I don't know whether you are reading the theory part or not. Read theory without forgetting. Right. This theory, and wherever is required, prepare notes also. And apart from that, go to SAP library part and read the SAP library. Right. So in the configuration settings, you need to read some theory.
Where is SAP library? Which is SAP library? Which one?
You can just go to net and you can browse.
This sncsap.com something, right?
Yeah. Right. SAP library. ECC 6. Not this one directly, we can go. Go here. From there, financials, accounting, financial accounting. Right, you can read, see, general ledger accounting. General ledger accounting, FIGL. You'll get a lot of information in this. Just go on clicking on these things, it'll show you. Right?
Yeah. Right. Thank you. Right.
Right then, have a nice weekend. Enjoy, but don't forget to practice. Spend some time on SAP. Right? And okay, Anusha and Hema.
Yes, sure, Anand.
Yeah, anything?
Monday I might not join. I'm not sure, Anand, but I'll let you know if I'm not joining. I would require the recording.